The Pneumatic Air Consumption Calculator determines how much compressed air your pneumatic cylinders consume during operation. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your cylinder type from the drop-down menu. You can choose single-acting with one air chamber or double-acting with two air chambers. For this demonstration, I'm using single-acting. Next, enter your bore diameter in inches. This is the internal diameter of your cylinder. Then input the stroke length in inches, the distance your piston travels, add your operating pressure in PSI, and finally, enter your cycles per minute, how many times the cylinder extends and retracts each minute. Here's a worked example. With a bore diameter of 10 inches, stroke length of 10 inches, operating pressure of 10 psi, and 10 cycles per minute, the calculator gives us these results. Air consumption is 7.64 CFM. That's cubic feet per minute of compressed air your system needs. The cylinder area calculates to 78.54 square inches. Volume per cycle shows 785.40 cubic inches. The amount of air used in each complete cylinder movement. This tool helps you properly size your air compressor and distribution system. Find the link in the description below.